Aww. Look at those ears.
Oh, it wants to eat that. Oh shit! I would have hooked him up.
Like bugs?
Yeah, he's trying to eat that thing.
There's one right here.
Knock it in there for him. Sorry, babe. That was recorded too.
We tried to help you, buddy.
It's like, you got one or what? You got one?
You're so cute. Hey, baby. Hi.
Seen it.
Ears on hundreds. Look at them big ears.
If them foxes was, look, he likes this cup. If them foxes was around here, they'd be eating the shit out of cicadas
you like
out
a
there.
cup? Huh? You're so pretty.
There's none in their enclosure.
There's a big one up there.
He could probably jump up the walls and shit. Oh, you can jump up the walls? You can jump up the walls?
Oh my god, so cute.
No. I'm just taking a little video. It's eating the cicadas. It wants cicadas to come in there. Chases them down. I haven't caught him chasing one down, but he's tried to get a couple. If I could catch one, I would flick it in there. They're good for a lot of things.